Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great morning or afternoon in some parts of the world already. And welcome to this new video on XRP. We're going to do a full update. We had some news over the course of this morning, which is also relevant for XRP. That's also the reason why we had this drop right here, which was unexpected. I mean, in general, I think we've been relatively spot on with our analysis on XRP. What I've said basically since we broke above the POC at 2.41 is that I expected us to remain relatively stable and that we would get some more bullish momentum. And we did see that yesterday morning, but I did not expect news one day ahead of the crypto White House summit, which is obviously today, later today, I'd assume. I'm not actually sure at what time precisely, but what we got is an executive order, which also matters for XRP, about a strategic Bitcoin reserve, or strategic crypto reserve, I should say. And that is that governments will not acquire additional assets for crypto stockpile outside of forfeiture. And that's, well, I mean, on the first glance, that's bearish for XRP, all right? Because when we heard last Sunday about this strategic crypto reserve that the US is starting, the expectation, at least with the initial move, after that did calm down a bit. And I think the market did not necessarily expect anymore that the US government would actually buy XRP in this specific case. But initially we did with this huge move. We dropped down all the way. I mean, those were great days. But no, so still a minor bearish reaction. But as you can see right here, because it's obviously bearish, right? I mean, it would have been nicer for the price of XRP if we would have actually been able to see some inflows coming into the US government that were bought up. But now it remains with coins that are forfeited. Now, I do think we'll see some more information on that, because I'm not actually sure what that means when it comes to XRP, when it comes to Solana, when it comes to Cardano. I'm fairly sure that it's the same, all right? I would be very surprised if the US government will not buy Bitcoin, but they will buy XRP, etc. And it does state that they will not acquire additional assets, so it's not only Bitcoin. But as you can see, purely technically, I mean, yes, we've seen a sell-off, and the momentum we saw coming into the price yesterday. Can I see that or not? Where's my open interest? I cannot see it anymore. Well, it doesn't matter. But but no, the momentum we saw kick into the price yesterday also disappeared a little bit, and in general, what you can see is that we reset. However, I still think technically, I mean, XRP is still holding this level right here at 2.41. Bitcoin is holding relatively well as well. So I am not, I actually still think that stability here is most likely. We also got a lot of volume coming in, as you can see, especially after the news. But before that, the volume already started to go up. We still have that White House Crypto Summit, which can function as some sort of a fundamental catalyst to work towards. So my analysis remains the same. I still think that we will remain relatively stable right here. We do have some big news today. I'll be live streaming during that, so keep an eye on the channel for that, with the non-farm payrolls and unemployment rates. That's going to be very volatile, so that's always interesting. But in general, I expect us to be stable here, and I even still think it's most likely we can see some bullish momentum ahead of the White House summit, unless due to the correlation that Bitcoin has with XRP and the S&P 500, unless we get some sort of a major unemployment rate hike or drop, which would also well, no, drop would be fine. But a major unemployment rate hike in this case could actually make the prices fall quite a bit. So be aware of that. But ultimately, for now, until we have that data, I'd still say that stability on top of 2.41 and some more bullish momentum is most likely for XRP. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.